it's me, Horse Girl 04, and today we'll be playing Animal Jam. I've already done some progress. My name is Fabulous Arctic Moon. I'm a wolf. Sorry that you guys weren't there to see it. I didn't have enough space and I had to delete some videos and stuff, and yeah, so yeah. What did that say? Because ooh, what's in here? Done. I don't know why I did that face. There's actually no reason. Ooh. Okay. Falling phantoms. Run and avoid the phantoms erupting from a volcano. Pick up gem bags that appear to earn extra gems. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna play this only for the gems. Okay, tap to move back and forth. This is actually really easy. Ah. Oh, don't get near me. No. It's horrible. No. 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 This is so weird. Oh. Got hit. You know what? I don't want to play this anymore. Quit. This is weird. So. Oh, sorry. Okay, what just happened? Okay. Oh, okay. Weird. Animal Jam. Yeah, so that's my little wolf right there. Yeah. Some nice music. What? I can't read what it says. It's just rude. So I want to know what it said. Ooh. There are about 2,000 different species of cactus or cacti. Almost all of them are native to North and South America. Most cacti are covered in sharp spines that help protect them against animals. Cacti comes in lots of different shapes and sizes, from small spheres to tall towers that can grow to almost 50 feet tall. So yeah. View player card. Who names themselves view player card? That's just weird. Can I read now? There. I only got to read there. Ooh. Awesome army wolf. I'm sure you're an army wolf. Puffins have colorful bright. Seriously. It's kind of slippery. No, it's not. What? How do you enter? It's rude. And scary. Ugh. Permafrost is a name for the ground that is so cold it stays frozen for a year long. Depending on where it's found, some permafrost can be almost a mile thick. In some areas, scientists estimate that the ground has been frozen for 10,000 years. I don't know who I did that to. Movements like this. Ooh. Yeah, like that. Can I jump? I'm gonna jump. Woo! What else can I do? Can sit. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Now I'm gonna do this first. Yeah, see? So happy jumping. Yeah, so I'm moving now. I'm not going to jump anymore. I'm going to get out of the ice. Oh, no. Okay. I want to change my person. How do I do? What did I just do? Oh, what? Go. Tap the boxes to find treasure. Okay. Yes! Okay. Yes! Yay! Okay, that's good because... Yes! Yes! So good. Oh, I can't. I'm not a deer. No. Snow leopards. Horse. I want to be a horse. Oh, get one. Nice. Oh, darn. I didn't. What? 150 more? Fine. Get some. The horse is actually my favorite animal. Oh, wait. You guys know that because, yeah. You guys obviously know that. I'm horse girl, right? Who wouldn't be horse girl? Okay, that said something about giraffes. What? You have a unicorn horn? Why? Velvet happy puppy. What? Well, anyways, I'm gonna get more of that stuff. Where is it? Over here? No, it was somewhere over here. Where was I? Guys, I forgot. And what is that sound? Ooh, I want to howl with you guys. Howl. Okay, they left me here. How rude, guys. That is so weird. Ooh, yeah. Anyways, where was that thing? Seriously, I need more. I think I was like over here somewhere. Guys, help me! Over here, maybe? Wild works. Okay, where was that? Seriously. Need to know. Can I climb up this? Yes, I can. Who is this? No, then. I don't. Oh, I love monkeys. I love monkeys, guys. I love monkeys! But still, no. Oh, wait, this way. Done. Okay, and I need to go back to over there. Ooh, play this. Over here. Block break. Bounce off the ball of the trampoline to all the blocks. Hit the phantoms with... Okay, no. I don't like phantoms. Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, so... I need to go back to that place where... Okay, I need to go to here. Sorry if you hear some background noise, but... Oh, and that thing, what it said was, snakes do not have eyelids. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Fish actually don't have eyelids either. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Again. Yeah, so... It's cool. What? Where are we? Game playing. Puppy's tail. Draw different shapes as quickly as you can to fend off the phantoms. Quickly string multiple drawing together. Okay, yes. I'm playing this. me draw the shapes of all the phantoms before you. Okay, I know how to play. Once upon a time, there lived the bravest puppy in the whole land. The puppy loved to play, explore, and have adventures until one day. Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, so. Woo. Wait, come on. Ah! Wait, how do I do this? Draw the shape. Okay. What else? No. Whoa. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I'm dead now. No. Quit. I need to quit this. Okay, now what? I love puppies. Anyways, I need to go back over here and then, and yeah. So, I need to go to that winter wonderland thing. No. Where's the winter thing? It's over here somewhere. Yep, it's over here. I think that's where I went. No. I'm over here. I think it was over here somewhere. No. Something over. No, I don't want to go over there. I think. Okay. I forgot where that was though. I need to go over there to get more things for the horse. To get the what? Oh, I thought she was carrying a. I think it might be over here somewhere. I don't know. Can you tell me some things, little? Tarantulas will. That's all I heard. Tarantulas will. That's sad that tarantulas will. Okay. Most owls live in trees, but some live underground. What? Some owls live underground? I had no idea. Hey guys, I had no idea! What is that? That's Puppy's tail. Why am I dark? Okay, so that's weird.
That's bad.
So it's something about lionfish. Sorry guys if you guys like lionfish, but what? You got that? Okay, I'm going. The great what? I got in here? Fine, I'm getting out because wait, no. Darn. That guy is small. I don't know what that just said, but I'm going to here. Where'd you get that? I want one. Okay, so what? Wait, how much of these do I have? Really cool. I have enough for the horse, but how do I get okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, so bye, have a nice day, and yeah, bye.